Welcome back to my channel, and if you're just into my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. So in today's video, we're going to be styling this hair. Yep, I love this hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I style this natural hair. So without further ado, guys, let's go straight into the video. So first thing, I just had to just remove the band I have on my hair. I've been doing the thread I have on my head. This is like the way I stretch my natural 4C hair. So if you don't know how to stretch your natural 4C hair, I'll be dropping the link on the screen so you can go and check how I stretch my natural 4C hair, so it can be easy for you to work with your hair. So first off, I just comb my hair, comb it, so that I can work with this stubborn hair, because this hair can be very, very stubborn. And afterwards, I just part the hair into sections, like the sections which I want to do. The first in the front, I'm going to be making into a U shape. Is it a U shape? Yeah, I'm going to make it into a U shape so that I can put that at the front section, then work with the back once I am done. So guys, I just comb it and do the normal necessary thing. Then I go in with rubber band to just put that and secure it. Afterwards, guys, I go in with Shea-butter and my black castor oil. So you can, I'll be dropping the picture on the screen so you guys can see. That's the black castor oil. Then I just had it with Shea-butter and put it to the dry hair. Because hair is so dry in this video. Very, very dry, and I don't know why. Just comb the hair to just make it look fine and all. Then next up, I go with Eco Styler gel. I am using this particular Eco Styler gel because it's for dry hair, and I noticed that my hair was dry in this video, so that's why I'm using that Eco Styler gel, because I have like different type of Eco Styler gel I use. Then next up, I just comb the hair, brush the hair, and pack it with my shoelace. Yeah, I know, shoelace. Shoelace, like, that's the easiest thing for me to use to pack my hair. Any other thing I use to pack my hair does not stay. So I've been stuck with shoelace ever since I stopped using natural hair. Yeah, guys, so that's just section it, and that's it. That's all about the back. I will move to the front section and put the hair into section. I think we'll be doing this hair into 6. Yeah, so that's just what we're just going to be doing, so that we can achieve that front hair that is fine. So I just put the hair into 6 sections, and that's all. After putting it into sections, I just take my rubber and the oil, just put it together so that it can be easy for me to use. And I'm using the Eco Styler gel again for the hair. So first of all, I just take the one at section first. Take Eco Styler gel, just put it around it so that it can look all sticky and neat. Then next up, I go in with rubber, which I have oiled. Yeah, that's it. Then I just twist the hair. That easy, man. Very, very easy. Just twist the hair to the back. My back hair is like disturbing me, but just twist the hair to the back, and at the end of the hair, I just take Eco Styler gel and rub it together. Yeah, and that's all. I just continue the same process for the remaining section, and it is that easy, guys. Very, very easy. That's it. guys, after that, I just take my brush and the gel to just like make that section place look finer and neater, because those edges can be very annoying. So just take it down. So before I forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and do that right away. Yeah, so guys, next up, I just use accessories. You can never go wrong with accessories, man. It just makes the hair like pop out and look so fine. So guys, after adding the accessory to this hair, I was looking the hair so fine, so easy, man. Yeah, I go with my edge control. That's the hair wax for my edges. These edges, yeah, I really don't know how to do edges, man. So I just take those wax and the wax and just put it there, because my edges can be very annoying because they are very stubborn. So I'm not even slip down. It's really annoying. And again, I don't even know how to do the edges. I just do like that. So that's just it, guys. After doing that, take the comb and comb the hair at the back, so that you can have that puffy. Yay! And afterwards, we'll go in with our scarf to just secure the hair. We'll be right back. Ha! Get their father's father with their mother's joy. See if I ain't gay. Easy. So guys, this is just the hair gel, and if you love this hair gel, please, you can try it out. I am so in love with this hair. So simple and fine. So guys, that's just the hair for now. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.